Hi everyone. I'm sure many motorists are curious about the installation process for the new onboard unit or OBU. I signed up to be part of the pilot batch to install the OBU. So let me walk you through the steps and share my experience. There are three parts to the new OBU: the touch screen display, the antenna, and the processing unit. You will have the option to select either the touch screen display or use your own device, like a smartphone. The technician will confirm the location of the processing unit within the vehicle with you, and also whether or not you want to install the touch screen display. After starting the vehicle, the OBU and touch screen display powers on automatically. Motorists will be prompted to insert a CPass card if they didn't enroll for back-end payment for automatic transactions. I've been driving with the new OBU for a month now. It has been a good experience so far. The touchscreen display didn't affect my view whilst driving. It also provides me with useful information, such as road safety alerts like school zones, silver zones, and bus lanes. The replacement of the old IU for the new OBU is free. LTA will progressively invite motorists to install the new OBU. Drive safe.